Hey guys, how's it going? JDM Steven here. This is not a JDM vehicle. It's in fact my dad's 99 Ford Expedition. I was wondering if anybody out there knew the solution to my problem today. This truck has about 250,000 miles, and I'll show you what's the issue. Runs great. Everything's fine on this truck, even though it doesn't look the best. So, I'll hop in here, put the key in the ignition, turn it on, everything's all normal, don't mind the low battery, but the theft light is flashing like that, and the odometer has dashes instead of showing the mileage. Now when I go to start it, it'll just keep turning, and then the theft light starts flashing again. No crank. Well, it is cranking just fine, but it won't start. I'm not sure what the issue is. I'm guessing it's something to do with the alarm system, or it's not recognizing my key or whatever. So this just started overnight. I don't know what's going on with it. If it helps, this is the key that I've been using for the past 15 years on this car. Not 15 years, about 10 years. But it's not a Ford key, as you can tell. It's got a hole at the top and it just says Ilco on it. And I have another key that I use that's just a flat piece of metal that's cut to this ignition. But it's been working perfectly fine until a couple days ago, and this is just baffling me, and I really don't know what to fix it, and I don't want to throw money at this truck because it used to work so good. If anybody can help me out with this is a 99 Ford Expedition 5.4 liter V8. Thank you.